Showing you how to assemble and reassemble a PS90. It's very simple. Okay. Brace. Take this mag out. Alright, bear with me, I'm doing this with one hand. Okay. Second thing is, this part is pressed down and you slide forward. It just slides out just like that. Up receiver. The next thing is, you just let that slide downward. And you got the bull carrier. Well, this is all in one, so it's pretty dirty. That's why I'm taking it out to clean it. So, alright. Other part is take this little buttstock right here, or a slider. So, and then the last part right here, you gotta be careful with this because it can break, but it's a little plastic lever, and you just press up like that and you slide out. This is the trigger. Well, this is a little receiver, basically trigger assembly. So alright, basically those are all the parts right here and the plastic part. So it's going to be doing some cleaning, but I wanted to show you guys how to take apart a PS90.